lav, pup, sor, vog, was, sis, san, ap, vlir, sang, s, u, vom, ap, yam, ak, vlim, ga, k, dan, sa, vlir, sang, s, u, vom, ngag, vlim, k, sna, k, ga, bop, veg, daf, shof, vlim, ga, k, snil, dwin, san, ap, vlir, sang, s, u, vom, ngo, da, grog, k, dan. Which is to say, K, Bop for Travelers, Lesson 7. In this lesson, we come to the fourth noun ending, which is food or not food. Under normal circumstances, of course, tacos are edible, so we would use the edible suffix des nu. So our conjugated word for taco so far would be mef, kib, saj, jin, fug, bath, san, ap, vlir, sang, des, nu. On the other hand, if we had, say, a statue of a taco, or a taco that really you shouldn't eat for other reasons, or if you just wanted to really insult someone's cooking ability, then you could use the non-food suffix su. We now come to the fifth ending, which is traditionally called gender. In K-pop, there are 7 of possible genders. The first is human, which is, the ending for which is vom, ngo. If you were to apply this to a taco, I would have questions. Please don't. On the other hand, if it is a non-human metazoan, which means which is an animal with multiple cells, that is pronounced yak. It may help to remember this, that yaks are metazoans. Now, the third option is any non-metazoan opisthecont. An opisthecont being any animal or fungus. This is gal. Tacos are not opisthecons either. Next, there are 2 options for different types of plants. There are the flowering plants, which are called angiosperms. For this we have the ending ninin. On the other hand, there are plants with exposed seeds, or gymnosperms. This has the ending hack. Tacos are not plants either, though some of the components of them come from plants. I don't think these endings would make sense on a taco either. Though maybe you could make... Though maybe if you did a bonsai tree in the shape of a taco... Yeah, whatever. We now come to the final 2 endings, The first of which is silicate mineral, which is ando. This would be any mineral containing compounds of silicon and oxygen, which is the majority of Earth's crust, including quartz and feldspar. And finally, to cover everything else, almost certainly including tacos, we have vom, which is just anything not covered by the first six. This has been K-Pop for Travelers, Lesson 7. In the next lesson, we will be discussing the sixth noun ending, which is manner of death. Until then, bye. Oh, and Mom reprinted the tie with the Prolang's character on it, and it turned out rather better this time. Next time, we will be covering the seventh. Is it seventh? The sixth. I can count.